Let's see how to change hosting of WordPress website to Hostinger. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger H panel. Now from the left menu, we are going to click on websites. Click on add website from here. Select migrate website. We can use two methods to migrate our WordPress website to Hostinger. The first one is using the login details and the second one is using the upload backup files. So at first we will try the second method, upload backup files. So we are going to select it from here. Click on next. Now here we need to upload the files backup as well as our database backup. So we are going to click on upload from here. So we will select the files backup and database backup and then click on open from here. So our backup is now uploaded. Now we are going to click on next from here. And now just click on submit request, and in this way request will be submitted and Hostinger team will transfer our WordPress website to Hostinger. Now let's try to use the second method. So we will select the login details and then click on next from here. Now we need to enter our WordPress URL here and then click on next. Now we will select the access method. We will select WordPress and then click on next. Now we need to enter our WordPress username and password here and then click on next. After that, just submit the request and Hostinger team will transfer our WordPress website to Hostinger. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.